This is the story of how car models came to be, based on actual events. Okay, maybe not all of it. Deep, way deep, in the Amazon jungle.
This time it will cost you.
The model car kit hobby began in the post-World War II era, with wooden model cars made by companies like Ace and Berkeley. These kits required the modeler to cut, shape, and glue the wooden parts together, and then paint and decorate them. The kits were usually based on popular cars of the time. Unfortunately, they were not very realistic, and broke easily. Rarest pioneered the plastic model car in the late 1940s, with their Maxwell kit, which was an unassembled version of a pull toy. The kit consisted of a plastic body, a metal chassis, rubber tires, and a wind-up motor. The kit was a huge success, and Rarest soon expanded its line of plastic model cars, offering more variety and detail. Derek Brand, from England, pioneered the first real plastic kit, a 1930 Ford Roadster for Rarest. The kit was made of polystyrene, a new material that allowed for finer molding and painting. The kit also had more parts and required the modeler to use glue and paint. It was an instant hit and set the standard for the plastic model car industry. In the 1950s, automakers realized that model cars could help them sell real cars, and started to produce promotional models of their vehicles. These were usually made of plastic, and were given away to potential customers or sold at dealerships. These models were popular among both children and adults, and became collectibles. In the 1960s, the model car kit industry boomed, as more companies entered the market and offered a variety of models, from stock cars to hot rods to dragsters. Some of the popular brands were Amt, Rarest, Monogram, Aura, and Linebug. Model car kits became more detailed and realistic, and often included decals, chrome parts, and custom accessories. They also covered a wider range of subjects, such as classic cars, exotic cars, movie cars, and TV cars. Modelers could also modify and customize their models by adding parts, changing colors, and applying decals. Model car kits were no longer just a form of fun and entertainment, but also a form of self-expression and creativity. In the 1970s, the model car kit hobby declined, as the oil crisis, environmental regulations, and changing tastes affected the real car industry. Model car kits became less popular, and some companies went out of business. Many modelers continued to build and collect, and new niches emerged, such as resin kits, photo-etched parts, and aftermarket accessories. These products were made by smaller companies or individual modelers, and offered more variety and quality. They also catered to more specific and sophisticated tastes. In the 1980s and 1990s, the model car kit hobby experienced a revival, as new technologies and materials improved the quality and variety of model cars. Some of the innovations were injection molding, die casting, computer-aided design, and digital printing. Model car kits again became more accurate and detailed. The 2000s and beyond saw new challenges and opportunities for the model car kit hobby, as the internet, social media, and e-commerce changed the way modelers interacted and shopped. Model car kits became more accessible and affordable, but also more competitive and diverse. Round 2 came along in 2005. They acquired the rights to several classic brands.
Possibly the rarest model kit ever produced. Roughly only 100 to 200 ever made. No one really knows. Given out to the preview of the movie Used Cars, all of them came with one of 5 MPC models inside, like a Firebird, Camaro or Dodge Warlock. Watch this video to see what annual kits are and how they fit into the history of models.